Did you recently make a purchase on Amazon and trying to find your orders, but it's just simply not showing? Let me show you how you can find your Amazon orders really fast. So you want to log into your account, guys, and of course, once you sign into Amazon account, you can either hover over your account right here and go to orders or account, or you can just click it where it says return or orders on the upper right. Now, if your orders are not showing, ensure that you expand the search right here. So here is where you have just the default filter of 3 months and you want to expand it. So if your order is older than 3 months, just ensure that you expand it to, for example, 2026 or 2025. Keep in mind that these are by year, and so you want to expand it or go to the specific year that you want to. No, in case you are still not able to find something, you can use a search, right? Maybe you order a whole lot of stuff and it's just getting too much for you to search. But if you have an idea what you want to search for, just search for it. So if it was, for example, Samsung Galaxy, for example, I can search for Samsung Galaxy and I hit search and it will be able to find that order for me. Let's say that was the case, right? So this is how you can able to find it. Now, you can always check your purchases or your transactions as well. So you can check to see if your orders were shipped or not. You can always see that, not shipped yet. You can see it as well. Or if there's anything wrong with the order, you will see it as well. If your transaction did not go through, you'll be able to see your transaction as well. And how you can see that is just hover over your account. And from here, you can go to your account right here. And under this section, you will see your payments. And this is going to show your transaction. Here you can see your orders as well. And so if you have a problem with transaction, you can click with your transaction or your payments, and you will be able to see transactions of what you paid, right? So here is just showing a card or something like that. But here you can find transactions and you will see all the transactions that were made and you'll be able to see what purchase you made and orders and so forth. And you can click on them to see more details. So if you have not seen the purchase that you thought that you made for a product or item, then it could mean that it's not going to show up under your order history because the transaction weren't successful. And so you can see it under your transactions as well. So check your transactions to see if that was successful. And of course, if it was, then you'll be able to see it. You will also be able to see it if that wasn't the case and you purchase and you know you receive your item, then just go ahead and change the filter to see if that was the case. Because it could mean that the default timing is showing the 3 months and that's what is set by default, and you won't be able to see your audit history that you're looking for if that's the case. And it's just a simple switch from here by clicking the drop down. So that's it, guys. That's how you can quickly see your audit history on Amazon really fast by switching these things, clicking the filter so you can see it real quick, or just check your audit history in case that was a problem. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.